All right, welcome guys. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to activate and configure your team. And now, at the end of it, we will achieve how to activate your team, how to install demo team, how to customize the team, and how to install other necessary plugins. Now, we're going to be taking a look at how to install the team and activate it, and other function. We're also going to take a look at other functionalities. What we are going to do to make it work, for the demo team to appear on your front page and all that. So sit back, relax. Let's see what we got in this video. All right, welcome guys. This is the team we just installed, which is TV team, and this is our front end. In the last video, I told us that there is something that we have not done that's making it not to show on your front end. That you see this theme, you see this your front end it looks empty. Now there are some configurations we need to do to make it appear fully on your front end. So what you need to do now is to come back here, to come back to this theme, come back to your WordPress dashboard, come back to DV, click on DV, and it will take you to team option. Click on your team option. First of all, we need to activate it. You need to activate the team. So let's say update. Click on your update. Now what you need to do is to come, there is a username and activation key that is attached to this team, which we have not done. We need to do it now. So what we need to do right now is to get the username and the API key and apply it. Then you click on save. You see, once you click on save, that means you have activated the team. So what you need to do now next is to go back to your dashboard. Then let us go back to settings. Click on settings, because we want to set, because take a look at this thing now. It's showing empty, right? All right, I'm showing the sample page and all that. So what we need to configure it to be static page. Now remember that there's a difference between a blog and a site and a website. And normal website, blog is you post to a blog. Okay, you post to a blog. Blog has to do with what? Posting. Yes, so that's what makes it different. So on normal website you don't post. So you come back here, you go to settings, click on reading. Yes, you see already the home page already displaying post. So you click on the static page. For now we don't have any home page, but let's select sample page and leave this to become 10 and all that, and full text and all that. So you click on it. So it has been set. So let's see if it will show now. It's not going to show because I've not done anything in regards to that. So it's still showing what a sample page, which means we have not really installed our demo. So for us to install our demo team, all you need to do is go back to the dashboard, click on the dashboard. Now we are going to set up a page. Now what you don't do, you click on add page. Okay, so with this mouse you click on you. Let's call this page home. Call it home. Sorry. Call it home. Then after that, we click on publish. Publish it. It has been published. Now there's one thing we have known. There's one thing we need to do. Go back to our page dashboard. Then there's one plugin we need to install. first thing. Yeah, it's called classic editor. Yes, enable it enables you to organize your page builder and all that. The interface, you click on activate. Once you activate, let's go back to this home page again. Then it's not live. Let's click on it. Let's see what we got. It's still empty, right? Nothing is still showing. All right, there's something we have not done. Now what we need to do is that let's go back to this page, and this our page we just added. So you click on home. Yes, all right. Now once it shows, what you need to do is click on use DV builder. Now once this show up, what you need to do is click on load theme. Don't forget load theme. Once you click on load theme, now it's now going to, it will take you straight to the demo, the demo. Wow, to take you to the demo theme we have on the DV theme. Wow, these are wonderful. We have about 100 and something thing on this. You see, it cut across different area of specialization, different section, different works and all that. See, this one is a financial advisor. This is a DV nail salon, and we have a car detailing, and so many have you. So we are going to install one, and let's see what we got. Okay, which area are we going to? Are we going through? We are going to do that of sample website. Which sample website I'm going to take a look at now? Okay, let's take a look at something like web development. Okay, I think that one will be fine because it will also help you on how to set up your own personal web. Yes. Let's say something like I think I used to use something related. Yes, agency. I think the agency, we have agency. I use agency a lot. I use SEO agency a lot. Then I use that a lot. This particular one I love so much. This is IT, IT institution, IT institution, but I'm not going to do that. See, the reason why I love the DV team is that in any area of life, like a web freelancer, I think as a web freelancer, but let's take a look at this one. Okay, now once you click, now take you to this page. Now, one thing is, it not take you, this is about us page. This is about us page, about your website. This is your blog section. This is case study. This is contact us page. This is home page. This is landing page. This is portfolio. This is web freelancer, and this is your services. Now, what this helps you to do is that it will help you to like have a structure on how the website is going to look like. Yes, in this home section, what is necessary to be there in the home section? You understand what I'm saying? So let's take a look at the home section of this whole thing. Then let's take a look at something of this landing page. Let's see what we got. Let's take a look at something of about us page. So let's take a look at this. Yes, wow, this is cool. Now this one now is all about what the home the home page. This is how this home page is telling you. This is how it's supposed to home page going to look. This is the content, not really how it's supposed to look like. This is the content. This is how it's supposed. So you know how you can be able to configure it and all that. Now this is a landing page. There's one client comes and all that, we will see this. let's see the live demo. Then this one is about us page. Let's check. Let's click on live view. Let's see what we got. Yes, we've got this. We've got this landing page. This is how to look like. Blah blah blah. Understand? Wow, this is cool. So you don't really have to stress yourself trying to fish out what's next and what's next and all that. So despite you might not really be needing all these things, but at least it will give you a guideline on what is supposed to be there. Alright, this is about us page and all that blah blah blah. So that's how I do. So you choose if the one you prefer. So let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at agency. Let's take a look at this one. Take a look at something like about us page. This is blog, this is contact page, this is home page as an agency, blah blah stuff. This is a landing page as an agency. This is how it ought to be pricing and blah blah stuff like that. So let's take a look at this demo. Okay, join us today for basic sign up, this, that. Yes, you see that very, very important. This is going to look like. So what you just need to carefully go through them all and pick up the one you know that will be convenient for you and that is related to what you are doing. Alright, remember I will say we'll be building a website and related to websites, company and all that, so that it will be easy for you to do, and also it will also help you to start building your website from there, not come back again after designing this sample website and still go back again and blah blah blah. See, this is cool. I think we should use this. We should use something like this. Yes, we should use something like this. This is very nice, very fantastic, very fantastic. I love this one. I think we should use this. Okay, let's use this. Alright, now remember, let me quickly go back again. We have forgotten. So what we need to do right now is for us to activate that demo. What you need to do is to visit the back end, your back end, which is steam shopping.com / web design. It's already giving us. So click on it. Once you get that, or you can prepare a safe side. Just quickly copy it from here. Web design / WP. So from here, pick again, go back, click on Teams. Go to the page we created. This is the home page. And when the website, you have to be patient though. Very, very important. Patience is key. There are some clients that will come out and say, "Oh, what? In fact, this thing you've done, I don't like it." And just like I told us from that video, when you are working for a client, please do what he says. Don't do what you feel that it is good on the website. Very, very important to help you a lot. To be able to avoid trouble. So why don't you click on the upload layout? Then from this upload layout, choose any one you feel you want to use. So from here, for now, we are using this one. As a web designer and all that, this is going to help you a lot. Then these are about our services. This topic contact, landing page. This one is everything we use. Okay, home page. We are going to use stuff like this. Okay, yes, we are going to use stuff like this. Okay, this is very nice. So once you decide to pick this one, which one are you going to? From this home page, which one is related to home page? You select. This one is now related to home page, so you select. So we are going to, now. What you need to do now is that Once you begin to create, you first of all create this home page. Now this page you created is home page, so you come here and pick a home page that is related to it. Once you pick, you say use this layout. Once you come back again, you create about us page, blog page, course study and all that. You come here and pick them one after the other to make the work very easy. So you select this one, then click on use this layout. So you allow it to load. Once it's finished loading, see the magic. Okay, it has finished loading. Wow, this is fine, this is cool. Now next thing is to click. After it's finished uploading, next thing we do is what? Update, sorry. Okay, fine, good, that's fine. So the next thing to do now is to view. Let's view the page. Wow, this is awesome. So anybody who visits this page will definitely come across something like this. This is awesome. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. See, this is how it's going to look like. Awesome and nice. Awesome and beautiful. Awesome and beautiful. Okay, that's but I'll quickly recap what we ought to have learned this page. In this session, how to activate it, we have done that. How to install demo team, we have done, which work we have just done. Next thing is to do is to what? How to customize the theme. Alright, let's quickly go back and do that. And lastly, and how to install that plugin, which I've done one of them. Alright, this is how it is. Now let's try and see how we can customize it. Now see what we are seeing now is this demo. It's just a demo. Now we are ready to customize and configure it. Look at it. Home, this is home. So all these things are there. We need to remove, we need to set it right. All these things we don't need, of anyone we don't need, we remove. This is sample page. This is sample page. This is unrecognized. Now let's go back and configure this whole page. What the next thing to do is to go back to your dashboard, click on your dashboard and locate where your theme is, locate where your appearance is, then click on menus. Now menus are these ones you've seen on top. These are menus. And let's see how we can customize them, because all these things we don't need them. We need to remove some of those ones. So what you need to do is, first of all, create your first menu. So enter your name. Let's say my main menu. Let's say my main menu. This is my main menu. Click on create. We'll click on create and click on save. Here we have saved it. So the next thing to do, look at the home page we created. So what you need to do, you locate on this left bar, you click on this, then click on home. Let's add this home to this main menu so that we'll give it a command to show on our front end. What you do, click on any of the pages you created, then okay, and then okay, that's no problem. Let's go ahead, click on primary, because we want it to show on a primary menu. You click on it and you save. Okay, let's give it a command again. Okay, click on it and click on save. See, it has been saved and is updated. Now you do the same thing to other pages you create. Go back to page again. Let's name this page now about us. Okay, let's forget about us. Let's do the about. Now on this about, let's go and choose that demo. Click on use, say load layout. Load layout, you need to locate that same theme that we are using, which is this SU agency. Then you click about, because that's about page we are about creating. So click on load layout. This is how you do it on all of the pages. How many page event? But we are going to put over them because we are going to we are having a full we are creating a full website. So we'll do it on all of them and all that. The reason why I say you should follow like that is because it will help to okay. Then you click on publish. That has been published. If you visit the front end now, it will not show because we are not giving it a command in on the menu. We are not giving it a command to show on the menu. So even if you create a page and you are not giving it a command to show on the front end, it will not show. I'll just show us that again in a short while. So while that is still going on, we still need to create. Let's create. We have done home page. We have done about. Then we have done about. Let's quickly see what is remaining. Network be good to us. 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 Alright, that's it. It should not show because it's home solution because we're already giving a command to on the menu area to show only home page. So what we need to do now after we have added this, let's quickly let's just add other ones again so that we'll just give them all of them a command once and for dashboard. Alright, so this one I'm going to call it contact us. Then let's go and upload the demo and that's one for all. Alright, we locate where it is. Where is it again? Okay, here you can see. Okay, contact us. It is contact us. Say use this layout. Then after uploading, next thing you do is what? Publish. Okay, let's take one more. We'll go on this section. Let's take one more. Let's create one more page. If you go and you know, if you want to go, I won't buy you now. Anyone or I don't want to go over 7 because many go to 1 over 7 will happens only. Okay, let's create one more. We've already done that. Say, okay, I already deleted this. So what we need to do now is to create one more page. Okay, this page. Okay, let's call this page. Let's say portfolio. Let's say portfolio. We only have something. Okay, yeah. Let's say portfolio. good layout. We have what can I using SEO agency. Pricing and services. Portfolio. Let's say portfolio. You don't really have portfolio here. Let's say case study. Okay, let's use portfolio as a case study. So it depends on the information you want to show on your website. So click on publish. Let's check out how the page is. Wow, this is beautiful. This is sleek. This is cool. Yes, this is the portfolio page, and so that is how you create your pages, upload your demos, and check it out. This is cool, it's amazing. And so what this one will help you, it will help you to know how to go about your website, about homepage, what's going to be on homepage, what's going to be about us page, what's going to be on contact us page, what's going to be on different pages. So that's why I love that's one thing I love about DV theme. Very structured, straight to the points, precise, flexible, and all that. So that is how it. At the end of the day, after here, we now have to go back to our menu. Let us go and organize all the menu. So to do that, what you need to do is go back to appearance and go back to what? Menu. So all those pages we created, let us bring all of them and let's go them all. Right, back to the page. Sorry, without something. Quick edits. Okay. So after which you go back to your menu. Go back to your menu again. Let us make, because one thing you note now is that it's not all of them that I show. This is on your home page. Let's visit the home page. Let's see what we have. Now when you visit this home page, you only find out that it's only home is showing. Understand? So those pages, those other pages we've created, they are not showing. So what do we need to do? The next thing to do now is to let's give the menu a command to show all the pages. So to do that, you come back here, come back to the menu, or go back to the appearance, click on menu, and it will show here. So that's it's already showing what? Only home page, only home. So what to do to select all these pages you have created and say add. Once you add them, it now what? Appear like this. Now remember that now view that home page is 2. We are not going to really go and play because I've already added one. To remove this. We only have this. So now let us organize it. How do you organize it? Home page is supposed to appear first, about us to appear second. Then you click and drag up. Yes, please let's check the click very well. If I click on this one, and drag it up, see that it's outside here. No, drag it through the end. Yes, so that's how it is. You create, you watch, you arrange them like this, because after homes, after about portfolio is what. So this is how you add it. Now click what, now give it a command, the primary menu, and click on what, save. So after successful saving, let's go back to the front end now. Let's refresh and see the magic. Wow, you see now that they are all showing on the front end, the home, about, portfolio, and all that. So let's click on home. It's beautiful. Look at it, sleek and nice. Sleek and nice. About us as well is awesome. Is cool. It's cool. See this is a portfolio. And see that the contact us page. Really what? See. So this now will give you a guideline on what's supposed to be on the home page, about us page, portfolio, and contact us page. That's why I love DBT. It's very, very precise and it's very, very good. Makes your work to be very, very easy. So that's how it is, guys. In the next video, I'm going to be showing us how to customize it. Okay, let's quickly check. We will customize from this end. Okay, how to customize. Okay, I know that. All right, no problem. So let's see what we got. So what we're going to do next to customize it. Now remember that. Let's check our customization section. So the customization. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Then you click on go to appearance to customize. Go to appearance. Click on customize. Yes, once you get here, the next thing to do is, first of all, there are so many options. There are so many options for you to wait. All right, let's see what we have. Yes. Now this is your. We need to change the logo. We need to. Now let me quickly. Let's visit a website. Let me quickly show us something. And let's say Jumia.com. Let's see, show us something. Now, when you hover your mouse on Jumia, what do you see? You are seeing what? Jumia Nigeria first. Jumia Nigeria, online shopping for groceries, cleaning supplies, home. Then under it, you have what? Jumia.com.ng. Is that right? Now let us quickly show you. Let me quickly show you how you can customize that. And secondly, you see this little icon that looks like a cat. How do you customize this? These are customization we are really talking about. Now, in that mind, let's go back to our website we just created. Now look at it. Pages, my blog, WordPress, blessing.com, stuff like that. So that's what it's showing. So we need to customize this one first to see, so that if anybody go to the website, it will not show blog or not show New York or page and all that. It will show exactly the same thing as you are seeing here. So to do that, let's go back to our customize section. Go to general setting, site identity. Now that site identity, that is what it is. So what are you really into? Now in that mind, what are you really into? Sorry, 1 second, 1 minute. So see very well. All right, now this is the site title. This site title is this one: Jumia Nigeria online shopping. That's for that. Creative minds. Graphic. Let's see. Creative mind. creative mind. Maybe for example, this is the name of your website. Okay, now say okay, that's just creative mind. And here, what do you offer? Now say web web development, digital marketing, graphic design, and SEO. These are what you offer. These are what you do on your website. So you put it there. Then the next thing is what to click save. Once you click on save, let's go back to the front and let's check if it will show. Go back again. Let's go back to this place and click on and refresh it. So see, we have refreshed it. So here now we already have what creative mind. And secondly, when you hover your mouse there, now have what creative mind. So let's go to home. You see that, click on home. That's cool. So you see that now, it will automatically what reflect. So that's how it is. That's how we customize it. And then secondly, to this site icon. This site icon is this icon that shows you maybe something like this, something like that. So let's quickly customize it. Let's see what that. Before that, let's just quickly design something very related to that. So if you need to have something like you need to have a Photoshop in your system so that you can be able to do that. But let's see what we can do right now. Maybe something like websites logos. No, let me say web design icons. Let's see what we'll have. Or maybe let's just say logos. Logo. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can use on that. What we can use on that stuff. All right, let's see. Let's go with this one. I think this is cool. Let's go with this one. Okay, I think this one is more matured. It's more matured. It's more directive. It's more specific. So let's download this image. For those of us who will need to go into graphic and all that, definitely that's a website you need to do that. Very, very important. Let's see, we have downloaded it. Just want to paste it here so that we can be able to access it later on. Alright, come to your Photoshop. It's for those of us who don't know how to use a Photoshop, please, you can quickly grab on that. And also you can also do this online. This is what I'm doing. You can also as well do it online. Alright. Now they say the site is 512. Look at it again. Let me quickly do it again. They say the site is 512 by 512. Look at it. Let's go back to the website. Let me show you something. Look at it. They say to customize this, the size suggested image dimension is 512 by 512 pixels. So that is what I just have already set here. So you click on and let's go and upload that image. think these some videos, and from videos, new materials, and let's click on that. So this thing I'm going to tweak it a bit because not actually our logo. We just want to make use of it. So first of all, remove the back, then remove the back and all that. So I'm only trying to get the logo. So what's our name? It's okay, we'll come back to that. Let me just quickly upload this icon. So let's expand it a bit. Know that, and save. I'm removing the background because I don't want the background to show. Creative Minds logo. So click on PNG because we don't need the background. Click on save. And let's go back to the website again. Now, remember we are here. Site identity. You want to upload something like this little icon here. So this is Chrome. This is the Google. This is Jumia. And so your own is showing, it's not showing anything. So what we need to do is to help make it show why we are here. That's why the reason why we are. So you click on select icon, then click on upload files, click on select files, then go back to where it is in your system. And where is it in our system again? I think it's on video. Yeah, video. Click on this, and this is the Creative Minds logo. Yes. Click on that, you show up and you select. Yeah, here you have it. You see that, then you publish. Alright, let's check what we got. I think this is front page, this is front. What is this? Okay, this. So you see that there is no showing anything here. So if we refresh it, you see that the logo is already showing. That is how you do that, and all that. Okay, so let's quickly check again. What do we need to customize again? Next thing we are going to we ought to customize is, let's go back. I think that's what we have. Only what we learned, the head navigation. Now this head navigation, what it's all about is this. Is the head format. What format do you think we should have? Is it enable vertical? No, we don't need this. The height navigate until scroll down. See that the advantage is, look at it. You're not going to see the header until what you navigate in. Anyone you choose is prefer ribbon. So now that the primary menu bar, that is our main focus. Now this primary menu bar, how do we customize it? Now this is the menu height, logo, text, letter spacing, font, and color and ORV. So there's a lot of customization we need to do right now, depending on what you want. Understand? Depending on what you want. So nobody's going to say, okay, probably this is what we're going to do. But okay, let's quickly check out our sample. Let's see one we are actually working with. I'm going to see. Let us check. This guy. Yeah, this guy. Okay. Creative personal. YS marketing. Let's visit that website. YS marketing. Yes, YS marketing. Go to ysmarketing.com. Yes, I love this website. Remember I told you before, you don't need better. YS marketing. ysmarketing.co.uk. This is one of the websites I did when I was when I was learning. So you see how it is. This is what we might likely do. Some do more and do or even better or stuff like this. So first thing first, you see this header. You see that
YS Marketing are Leicestershire's premier and digital
you
marketing
find out that there's
specialist,
nothing showing on
offering
this header.
premium
Okay,
digital marketing
so
services to
it's
small and
it's
medium
it's
businesses all across
empty,
the country.
showing
From
the
designing
background,
beautiful
the video
visual
background. So you see that,
websites,
and when you
professionally
check out
managing your social
our
media,
own, you
online
find out that
advertising, and creating
there is a header like this.
animation for your business.
Okay,
We
so
offer
we are going to do
comprehensive
something
marketing
like this,
services at
very
unbeatable prices.
similar to something like this,
That's your
which
marketing.
will be very good for us to start with. So in this case, let's customize it. Let's customize it the way it is now. But first of all, before we start, let's quickly create our own brand of logo. Let's quickly create our own brand of logo. Let's dive into that. From there, we'll get started and see what we've got. Okay, for us to do that, let's use this. Let's use this to create our own kind of logo. Come here, new, and let's say 5 by 5 or shirts. Say 5 by 5 and all that. Oh, so come back to that. Where's our logo again? Come back to that logo again. Where is that our logo? Okay, let's go back to the system. Let's fetch our logo. This is our background logo. This is our logo. Alright, now this is what we've done. So this is what we've got. Creative Minds Technologies. And what is your, let's reduce this a bit. Let's reduce this. Let's say this is what we've got. So this is what we've got. Right, and this is the logo. So creating a logo is as simple as it is, and there's other ways that we need to show us how we can create a perfect logo online and all that. Okay. Now, what background are we looking at? We are looking at something like what can go with this. So let's make this white. So we probably we take a look at black background. However you need it. Whichever way. So make sure that the background is really telling you. Group it. You group. For those who don't know how to use Photoshop properly, to pardon me because this manual is not really part of it, but I just want to show you how you can create your logo within some minutes. Okay, say logo and no, I'm not using PNG. Okay, done that. So let's upload it or let's change the logo. First of all, we need to change the logo. Where are we customizing? This is logo height, and this logo height we need to come here. See, that's the effects. But first of all, let me go and upload our logo. Let me go and upload our logo so that we can be carried along all together. From here, what you need to do, if you want to upload your logo, locate DV, go to DV option, then go to see logo. Upload logo. Go back there, click on select files, and where is it? Logo. It's finished, and you can say click. Then scroll down and click on save. That has been saved successfully. have been saved successfully. Let's go back to our page again. Where the page we're working on customizing. Okay, so let's come back here and refresh. Yes, let's refresh it. Once you reflect, the logo is supposed to show. Oh, network, we can't rush. Yeah, you see that the logo is showing, but it's not reflecting. The logo is showing, but it's not reflecting. What we need to do, we need to change the layout, the background of this primary menu bar. So to do that, go to header and navigation, primary menu bar, then scroll down. You see what is called text color. Text color is this color. Active link color. This active link color is this color you are seeing here, this blue. Why this text color is this. Look at this. If I change it now, if I change it to something like see down, that's the active link color. Sorry, that's the text color. So leave it at black. Let's leave it as something like this. Remember, we're still going to change it. So background determines what the text color will carry. So let's say scroll down again, the background color, click on background color and click on the color that will match it, the color you know that will be very good for the website or the color you tend to use. So click on stuff like this. I think stuff like this is cool. And stuff like this is cool. Then screw up again. So like this logo now is very small. What we need to do, you expand the logo. See, to 100%. I think we even need to increase the size, but however, let's leave it that way. Now the menu height. This is the height of the menu. You see that the space in between. No, that's so leaving at that. Even at this point, is not bad. Now click on publish. Now remember, now look at this area now. Now the text color is black, so we don't really need to leave it on black. All you need to do now, change the color to something like white. You see that? See how beautiful it is now? You click on that, then you click on publish. Click on publish. And after clicking over, see that how it is now, very look and it's looking awesome and wonderful now. And all that's how you change that and all that. Now letter spacing and all that. Now let's quickly change the font. There's a particular font I'm used to, very nice font. It's called Poppins. Yes, Poppins is very good. So all depends on what you want. Or depends on what. Okay, look at Poppins here. Click on Poppins. Poppins, and you save. Now what you take a look at this name now, it's saying this menu as too large. So what you need to do is to reduce the text size. Okay, text size is 14. I think that's cool. 13 is okay. But let's check something like that. Say it. I think 13 is just cool. Yeah, 13 is okay. Then you click on publish. Yes, see, we have been able to change our header and all that. This active link color is this particular color you are seeing on this blue, just like I told you before. Background color, the drop down. We are coming to that. We are coming to drop down. Drop down. Don't have drop down here. Drop down messages, and I'll come back to that. So that's how you customize it. That's how you upload and all that. So let's quickly go back to the front end and see what we have actually. Okay, let's see front end. Go back to the front end. Okay. You'll see that's how the front end is. You see that you customize it and it's looking very wonderful. So that's how it's going to be on this. That's how far we can go on this video. Now in the next video we're going to be taking more details on customization and featuring and all that. So stick around and see you on the next video.